Guys, what's happening? We're out here up on Lake Superior. I try to do some salmon fishing, steelhead, coho. We're gonna try casting for cohos right now. It's nice and calm. As you can see over there, the bay here is quite glassy. So we decided to come and try come and try to cast for some cohos off the beach here. There's a real steep break right here, so we're gonna give it a try, and then we're gonna go head up to a different spot to go do some steelhead fishing. So we're just gonna throw on some 1/2 ounce, 3/4 ounce spoons. Nice. I got a 1/2 ounce one on mine. Show you here quick. Ooh, a little bright. But yeah, casting some spoons just from the beach, and we're gonna try to catch a couple fish here. This is so nice to be able to cast off the beach right here. Pretty badass. There's a guy trolling down there, just coming right close. And Devin said you can actually see these coho boil up, and if they're feeding on top, you can usually see them. So we're just gonna give this a shot. Figured we might as well, just because it's so calm. Tomorrow I don't think it's gonna be like that. So nice. Really put his GoPro on upside down. Just great. That cast's pretty nice, not too far. Ooh, that looks nice. Just a wobbling. Sweet. Try to get down off the point here a little more. Get out into some deeper water. I think the stick might mark the spot, don't you think? That'd be sick if we caught a fish right off this. Maybe reel a little slower here, I don't know. You gotta try different things when you're fishing. Real fast, real slow, let it sink, reel it on the top. You never know where those fish are gonna be. It's taken that kid 10 minutes to tie in his lure. Unprepared. It's finally coming. Girl, I swear for you, I run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love you can't. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 a.m. outside, when I'm with you, I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you, I feel too high. Smitty just got a new rod, Fenwick, with a Fluger reel. Pretty nice combo. Just switched over to the Castmaster. I'm gonna try that, and Speed just switched over to a different color too. So we're just gonna try a couple different colors just for a little bit longer here, and if we don't get anything, we are heading out. Well guys, no luck off the beach. Tried for quite a while, and I think we had a couple follows, that's for sure.
Definitely 100% softfish.
That's awesome.
He followed me all the way to the bank, but didn't catch him, so.
We're gonna head into town, grab a quick bite to eat, and then head on down some streams and maybe try to catch them before it gets dark. We only got about an hour, so we're gonna try to make quick work of that and get on some streams, and if not, we'll hit it hard in the morning.
Pretty sweet. Gorgeous up here.
Oh yeah, look at that nice little perch. Perfect.
And there goes another one for me.
Well, I'm on break off number 1. I think Spitty's on break off about number 4, 3 or 4. Spitty missed the fish though. He had one on. So that is a good sign. I'm gonna keep giving her. I gotta retie.
Howdy. It's morning time and we should have got a room at the inn last night.
Holy shit, look at this.
Ah! Whoa. We thought we had bad roads. Holy buckets.
This is insane.
Nice. Well, you probably can't see anything right now.
It's alright. It's early in the morning.
And we were heading to the streams. I got done smelting last night.
We got 2.
We got 2 smelt.
We saw a giant, absolute mondo smelt.
Mondo smelt. Huge. 14 inches long.
Oh, we missed them.
Hunt missed the net job. But
saw some walleyes.
we did see some walleyes. Huge walleyes. Real nice ones too. Kind of cool. Sorry we didn't bring you guys along. It was cold and equipment was malfunctioning. But yeah. We're going to the stream now and we'll probably see you down there.
We just got to the spot. We got a trail we're gonna walk, walk down right there to the creek. We're gonna take the drone up quick because it's pretty awesome views right now with the sun coming up. So we're gonna do that quick and we'll get to fishing. Yeah. Dude, that looks good though, man. I could see it, why not? You wanna go like down there? Farther?
Can't quite see any better with glass on
I think it's gonna be our best bet to be on the other side.
For now, this edge, yeah.
For now. We'll just have to keep crisscrossing and
I can't remember what
there's a kind of log jam down. Can they see it pretty good or not really? I'd laugh. It's pretty deep. Yeah, you don't need much of a sinker here.
Hunt, I'm hooked up! Hunt, I'm hooked up!
Spitty's got one. Spitty's got one. Oh, hell yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Tell me to set my rod down. I got my net. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. He's just right in here?
Yeah, right in the pool.
Nice. Oh, nice, baby. It's a nice one. Thick.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, don't eat
Here, here, here. Got him, got him, got him. Sweet, baby. Just gotta get on the net here. Yep. We got one. Shit, yeah. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is.
That's a nice fish.
I am so wrapped up in the trees right now.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, finally.
That's a nice one, 24 or so. I got a
Let's
little.
get some pictures.
Yeah. get him cleaned up, and we're taking. I wonder if he's got spawn in him. He looks like he's spawned out.
Spawned out.
Jeez. Woo. Hammered that little pink thing.
Oh, just drilled it.
I have to put one on. A little pink bead.
Yeah, right in this little pool, like literally right there. All of a sudden, I didn't know if I had one. Sure as shit.
Oh, hell yeah, buddy. Right in the corner of the mouth, too. Just perfect hook set. He wasn't getting off.
No.
There we go.
He broke.
He's milking. That's a male.
Oh, yeah. Where's running?
Nice. Look at that nice fish. That is sick. That's what he hooked up just right behind us here, right in this little pool. Oh man, he's a nice healthy fish. Dude, that thing's big. Feet. Don't let him get in there. Don't let him get in there. Dude, that thing's a giant. Dude. Yes. Dude, that thing's 4 inches bigger than the other one.
Yes.
Dude.
How the hell?
Dude, that's like a hook jaw and everything.
Come here.
Is that the one you just like saw? Jesus. I haven't even.
Alright.
Dude, that's insane.
You better get going. I'm halfway to my limit.
Dude.
Dude, this is a sweet one.
Yeah, it is. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
You're still out of the bank already. We're gonna be going home by noon at this rate.
Jesus. That's insane, dude.
This one's sweet.
Yeah, it is. Let me get my phone out and we'll film a little bit on that. Oh, what a beauty city. Woo! Just right up, here, you can kind of see here. We were just right up in here. It's like 4 inches deep. I mean, it might be like 8 inches right there. We saw one right here and it kind of spooked up. We're not sure if we actually caught the one we spooked or not, but that's a nice fish. That's sweet, bud. That's what I call a successful day so far.
Yeah, no shit.
Wow. And here comes the sun for us too, so we can see. Ooh.
Oh. Might have just had one.
Really?
Kind of felt like it. Cast that.
God, that looks so amazing.
Not bad.
Well, we made her out to the lake. It's kind of windy, as you can see. Pretty neat, actually. Some islands out there. No way. This is sick. That's the road we take right there. Yep. Probably right to the guy's house. I don't know. This is sweet though. Wow. Quite the adventure we had today. That's about the gist of all that. For 2 fish.
We walked a long ways.
We walked quite a long ways.
Kind of a long ways.
So yeah, we are done. We are done for the day. Heading her back home, making the drive, and it was a pretty good day though. We didn't get skunked, caught a few awesome fish, and got snagged a lot. But yeah, we had a good time. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, and yeah, if you watched the whole thing, I don't know what you're doing if you're not subscribed, because you probably should be, so you can watch our next one. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one.